Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a thank you card on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to sign into your account. So once you're on the account page, all you have to do is to choose between an invitation and an e-card. So since we can just choose an invitation, and we still type in our thank you card, or we can just click on this greeting card here and check if we would see a thank you card. So this is a graduation thank you. Okay, this is the thank you cards. Click on it and wait for the page to set us up with the all templates available, which are also e-cards, by the way. So once the page is set, we would see various e-cards to choose from, thank you cards rather. So as apparently we have 419 items here, so you can choose from the very wonderful large array of templates here. So let me just tell you that this is a premium or paid version, so you may have to subscribe for that. So once you've seen a template that suits you, you can just click on it and open it up. It should appear, and then you can edit it appropriately. Let's see it. So you can edit your text and add your guests where needed and where necessary. So from this section, you can even choose a different design from your gallery. You can include a review, you can include an effect, and once you're done, you can also take it to add an e-gift card, which is an optional part. Remember, this is 2 out of 5. You are going to 5. So let me just choose this. Let me choose add recipients, $25. If I want to add a note, I can also include the notes I would add here after including the recipients. So I can just choose any let me say this, and the number should be any of this. So I can add the recipients. Next is to add a note, which is the fourth one, the message. Okay, let me just choose yes, this, and then the last step is to review and then send the thank you card. So once I'm done, it will show me how the text would look. This is the back, this is behind, and this is front. Now I can change my name here, put any name I want, and I can send it now or send later. Remember, this is a gift card here, so this amount will be sent, and I will just attach my credit card here, pay for it, and then it will be sent to the appropriate place. So this is how to actually send a thank you card on Evite. So if this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please subscribe, and peace.